Today, the world is removing less than 10 gigatons of CO2 per year across all carbon removal technologies combined. At that pace, we overshoot 2 degrees Celsius warming well before 2050. But imagine this instead. One platform, 336 centrifugal mist pumps, 52 gigatons of CO2 removed every single year. This is Snowpanel, the most advanced polar climate platform ever designed. Each pump draws in deep ocean water, rich in dissolved carbon. Through Venturi misting, the seawater is atomized and released into polar air, naturally freezing into artificial snow and sea ice, locking CO2 in both ice and deep water columns. But this isn't just snow. It's a climate recovery machine. 52 gigaton of CO2 removed per year, matching the world's entire annual emissions. 772 gigaton of snow and ice created annually, boosting albedo and cooling Earth by up to 0.1 degrees Celsius per year, particularly in vulnerable polar regions. And here's the climate finance reality. 336 pumps equals carbon gold. At $50 per ton, $2.6 trillion per year. At 100 per ton, $5.2 trillion per year. At 300 per ton, compliance MRV market, $15.6 trillion per year. At $1,200 per ton, frontier DESI parity, $62.4 trillion per year. Powered by clean wind turbines or Rolls-Royce MTU Series 4000 engines, one platform includes 84 onboard engine bays, enough to energize the full array of pumps and auxiliary systems, with room for surplus and future expansion. In just 8 to 11 years, this single Snowpanel platform could help stabilize global temperatures back to 1.5 degrees Celsius, while regenerating polar sea ice and locking away dangerous carbon in the biosphere. This isn't theoretical, it's engineered, it's measurable, it's deployable. One platform, one planetary scale response, 1 decade, one platform to restore. Snowpanel. Science you can stand on.